is a popular culinary herb that's used across much of Europe. But thyme essential oil is rarely seen as a go-to oil, unlike, say, lavender, tea tree, peppermint or lemon. And I think this is a shame, because thyme is not only useful, it's also incredibly versatile. So in this video, I'm going to let you know how I use thyme at home, and hopefully I can convince you that thyme is an essential oil that could be worth adding to your collection. And as always, if you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you get notifications when we release new videos. So thyme has a long historical use, and it's been used to help ward off headaches, to bring courage, to keep venomous creatures at bay, and to embalm the dead. But modern science has allowed us to look at the compounds in thyme, and we've discovered that there are two particularly exciting compounds in thyme: thymol and crevecoral. I'm not sure I pronounced that one right. But anyway, these compounds are antibacterial, antiviral, antiseptic and antifungal. So you can already see that thyme could have a lot of potential uses. My number one use for thyme at home is to help manage athlete's foot. So athlete's foot is a fungal condition, and technically it's a minor ailment, but it can be downright irritating. If you've got athlete's foot, I'd recommend adding just 3 drops of thyme to a foot bath every night to help keep that fungus at bay. If your feet have become particularly odorous because of the infection, you could add a drop of peppermint in there to help neutralise some of that odour. Using thyme in a steam inhalation can help to manage the symptoms of a cold. This is particularly useful if you've got a lot of inflammation or congestion. You just need to put 3 drops of thyme in a basin of hot water and breathe in that steam. Remember, if you've got asthma, don't breathe in any steam, as this can trigger an attack. Instead, you can add thyme to a carrier oil and rub that into your chest. Because of thyme's exceptional cleansing properties, it makes an ideal ingredient in any homemade cleaning agents. It's got a pleasant aroma, it's slightly sweet yet a little woody, so it can be used in just about any room. And it blends really well with lemon essential oil, which is an excellent degreaser and is often used in homemade cleaning products. And thyme can help keep your hair looking thick. So there was a study in 1998 that suggested that thyme can help with hair regrowth. So unfortunately there haven't been any studies done since then, but there is a wealth of anecdotal evidence that suggests that thyme can help with hair growth and improve hair density. I'd recommend mixing thyme with a carrier oil such as jojoba. Rub that into your scalp about an hour before washing. It might take a while before you notice significant improvements, but it may help to promote hair growth. If you've got eczema, thyme can be added to a carrier oil to help manage some of those symptoms of the eczema. You can rub it directly in when mixed with a carrier oil, or if you've got large areas of eczema or around the body, you can add a couple of drops into the bath. Thyme is also a relaxing oil because it contains the compound linalool. This is the same compound you get in lavender that helps to relax and sedate you. So if you're particularly stressed, bathing in thyme can help to relax you. So this is not an all-encompassing list of how you can use thyme in your home, but hopefully I've inspired you and thyme might be the next essential oil that you add to your collection. As always, if you've enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, hit that bell and we'll send you notifications whenever we release a new video.